did get a carburetor. This is the one that came off. This is the new one. They're exactly alike. Not exactly, but pretty much exactly. I have to take this piece off, put it on. This is in a little bit different location. This need to be replaced and put over there. See, throttle cable, or no, it's throttle cable or ground. This is a choke. So anyway, pretty much exactly the same, with the exception of this. So I'm going to take this off. Got gaskets. And I'll put it on. I did put this thing back. I just cut a groove in it so it wouldn't be touching. I don't know if I mentioned that I was gonna maybe take it, just leave it off. Okay, the linkage is right here, so I probably should do that before I put it. I don't know if I got a real little short little extension. With the U-joint like this, it's hard to get any torque on it because it wants to wobble, but that did. Okay, there's my carburetor. We got this right here, assuming it's going right back there. Then it's got, that's not right. I gotta look on my pictures and see how the gas was. I think this goes into here. Uh-oh, sounds like rain. Photos. Yep. Goes underneath here. I think it's a crankcase thing. Crankcase ventilation. This goes here. Gotta change the filter. Oh, which way does it go? No way. It doesn't show. Huh. They all have arrows. This one does not have an arrow. Huh. Maybe it doesn't matter. I have to remember that in case it starts losing power or something. Could be that that's when all fails, cut it off. Where the hell did I do with my side cutters? Okay, that's all done. So it's the bottom. Right there. It's too small. Way too small. How big, I mean. Oh. That's what I was looking for. That don't fit either. This is a metric SAE combination tool. Now we want that wide open. There we go. It's all the way in, all the way open. It's the chuck, so we want it all the way open with this position. I did lubricate these. Yeah, that's not right. Well, that's weird. Okay. That's full choke. Still pretty hard. Get some blaster in there. Do a little bit more, but it works. And let's see the accelerator. This is kind of a different. To play with that. I don't think it's quite right. So anyway, the carburetor's back on. Since I got to get down there, I'm not going to put any till I get it started. So the carburetor's done. I think I'm going to the glass thing here, that's so beat up and it won't fasten. I think I'm going to just maybe remake something. Now I've had these light fixtures for quite a while. Got them to put on a tractor. Since this one's so crappy, I might just put them on. Well, I did end up getting all the screws in it, and I got the two mounted. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, after all, I'm the only one that sees it. Now, but to do the wiring, find a clip, whatever I did with it, and get going on that. I've been trying to figure out what I can do to fix this thing. It's all cracked, busted, bottom's busted. Priced them are $100. Sometimes I think I should just spend $100 because they can be longer than that. But I'm trying to figure out what I can do to support this. What I've come up with, one of the things is the hinges on this, the hood, are supported on the plastic. And one of them's busted out completely, the other's broke. If you can see this one's busted out completely. That's broke over there. This is cracked. That's where that screw should go into. So I'm going to see if I can. This is going to be a lot sturdier. I'll do the crossbreed. I'll bolt it or into that. I built this. I'm just got it kind of set there. I'll tack it and weld it up tomorrow. Make sure it all fits. But this way, the hood. I'm doing this cross bracing to give this the hinge to support, because the plastic thing is just breaks. You can see this. That's where the bolt goes through there, and that supports it. And it just, yeah, it's cracked. The other one's busted out completely. So when I've got this, I'm going to go ahead and weld it up tomorrow, and see if I can kind of fit this in. And I don't know how to attach this plastic thing, because everything's broke. You know, maybe I'll need to come up here. I don't know. But at least I can. This is 2 inches. This piece right here is 2 inches higher. So maybe I make some kind of a 2-inch block, and so it sets on there. Got to have room for the choke cable. All this stuff taken care of. I did put the sides on. It has two bolts. There's one up here and one here and one here. I mean, one here and one here. Put an extra one here because that was all flopping. We remember we looked at it. So I tacked it in the tractor. I'm going to see if I can just weld it up here using this wire feeder. I'm not very good at this wire feeding thing, but I'll try. I put the asbestos blanket there when I was welding so it wouldn't get to the gasoline and burn anything. Okay, I mounted this, put this in here. It's got an expanded metal. I used it, I was going to weld it on, and then I thought if I ever have to get back here for something, it was because I bolted them in, maybe it would be too hard. So I've got this. Now, this makes it a hell of a lot sturdier than just flopping around, even these things. Haven't got the hood on. I'm going to play with it and see what I need to do. The belt's flopping around. Anyway, it runs. Glad to see that. Then I can put it all back together. Put the cover on. Clean the air filter. I did find out that you don't actually have to take the deck off to change that belt, but I need to take the deck off to clean it up anyway. So it runs, happy to say, and so I'll put the filter back on, and it's not lurching. The screws are on the other one. Let's see.
That's a crank case ventilation mistake. I didn't run anymore until I get this belt on. I did get some. Yep. I didn't already. There we go. Wasn't dirty, so I'm really not going to change it.